Here's a print of a typical part as you might see it laid out on your bench for the work that day. And this part would have to be roughed, semi-finished, and finished. The roughing of material and the finishing of the finished profile probably accounts for about 95% of all turning for most people. But if you're looking at the print and you're seeing all of this and you're trying to understand how you do it on a ProtoTRAK lathe, you're looking at too much. On a ProtoTRAK lathe, the removal of the stock, the semi-finish and finish pass are all incorporated into one function that we call cycle. So cycle is probably 95% of all turning for most people. So if you learn cycle, you've pretty much learned 95% of all turning. Let's look at this print now. We'll modify it a little bit to show you what's important. I'm just going to take the dimensions off here first, and we're going to show you what you need to look at when you envision a part and running cycle. First, let's get rid of the top half. There's your finished profile, and it's down on the bottom half because our tool change is going to be here on the front of the machine and coming in on the part. So our X plus is up here and our Z minuses are going to the chuck. The next thing you want to take into consideration is the stock, as shown here in this blue broken line box. So basically everything between the finished profile and the blue broken lines here is material that needs to get machined. After that material is gone, then we want to make a semi-finished cut, leaving our finished stock on, and in this case we'd be knocking off the scallops that would be left here from roughing so that there's an even amount of stock left to do the finished profile.